When studying robotics, it is very important to quickly and efficiently print a prototype of your product. For these purposes, a 3D printer is used, and here is one of them, ROBBO Mini. "3D Mini" works with PLA plastic, which is practical and safe for children and adults. The table is 170 millimeters long. Its width and height is 100 millimeters. This is enough to print parts for a compact robot or any other small 3D model. You can choose a material of any color for printing, find or create a 3D model that fits the size of the table and print it, and the finished model can be used at your discretion. Teaching 3D modeling starts with the basics of geometry. Along the way, you will improve your skills in programs such as FreeCAD and Tinkercad. You will create many models, understand what 3D modeling is, and how a printer works. Plunge into the wonderful world of 3D technologies. Thanks to a 3D printer, you can learn to prototype your projects, 3D printing, understand what 3D modeling is and in what areas it is used, cognize spatial thinking, work with professional programs, and get to know a new profession. Moreover, 3D printing is a very beautiful process. ROBBO. Imagine, program, create!